Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and we are learning phonics. In this video, we will learn the sound of the letter I. E. Sound of the letter I is E. Igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. India. I-N-D-I-A, India. Sound of the letter I is E. Ink. I-N-K, ink. Image. Infant. I-N-F-A-N-T, infant. Sound of the letter I is E. I-S, is. I-F, if. I-N-T-O, into. I-L-L, ill. I-N-F-E-C-T, infect. I-N-N-E-R, inner. I-N-C-O-M-E, income. Is, if. Into, ill. Infect, inner. Income. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.